Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 amazing websites for wireless data transfer. These websites will be super useful when you need to send files or data to someone else, whether you need to transfer data from your computer to phone or phone to computer or between computers. You can easily send data without any cable and without any common Wi-Fi network. As long as you have internet connection, you can use these websites to send data. So our first website is wormhole.app. When you go to this website, this will be the interface. You will have the option to select files to send, or you can simply drag and drop your file. You can send up to 10 GB data, and it lets you share files with end-to-end encryption and a link that automatically expires. So you can keep what you share private and make sure your stuff doesn't stay online forever. So I will just click on the select files to send, and then you will get the option to open a folder, and I will be sharing this file. So a link will be generated. That is the link which you need to send to the person you are sending this file, or if you want to send your file from your computer to your mobile, simply copy this link and send it to your cell phone using WhatsApp or other application, and just open this link on your cell phone, and then you will be able to download the file. So either copy the link from here, or you can click on share, and as I said, you can use WhatsApp or email to share the link, or you can also use a QR code. If you click on show QR, so it will generate a QR code which you can share. So the person who wants this file will scan this QR and will get the file downloaded on his device. And your file will be deleted in 24 hours. If you want, you can change this duration from 24 hours to 12 hours, 6 hours, 2 hours, or even in 60 minutes. Or after a number of downloads, like if you want your file to be deleted after just getting downloaded once, so select one download, and the person who will download the file, as soon as one download will be completed, your file will be deleted. And as you can see, the file will be encrypted and your file is uploaded. You can close this page. But when the person is downloading the file, then this page should be open on your device. For example, I have sent the link to someone through email or WhatsApp, and when he wants to download the file, this website should be open on my computer at the time he is downloading the file. So I'll just copy the link and I will open up a different browser. I'll just open Microsoft Edge and I'll paste the link in the address bar, and it says it is loading. So as soon as the page loads, you will see your file there. You can simply click on download button and the file will be downloaded. So I'll just click on download file, and my file is downloaded already. I have closed the Edge browser and I will reopen the Edge browser, and I will try to download the same file once again. So I will paste the link, and as soon as I press enter, I get a message page not found, because we had selected uh, the file should be deleted in 24 hours, but after one download. So the file was downloaded once and that condition was met, and hence the file is deleted. So you can use this website to share files or folders with anybody and anywhere in the world. I'll just close this. Okay, now we will check the second website, that is easyupload.io. So when you go to this website, you will see a similar interface and you can upload files up to 10 GB. So we'll click here or drop files to upload or transfer. We'll use the same file here. So you can select the file expiration from here, and those are the options. And what is new here, that is a password protection. Like if you want to send your file, you can protect it with a password. You can type the password and that file will become password protected. And you will have to share this password with the receiver, so when he downloads the file, he can enter this password and then simply click on upload. Now your file is uploaded and a link has been generated. You can share this link and the password you have created with your friend or whoever you are sharing this file with. In same way, you can share a QR code also. So person who scans this QR, he will get the link to download that file. So we'll copy the link, and same way I will just open up a different browser and we'll paste the link. Okay, so that is our file and it is available to download. And it shows the file size, when the link will expire or the file will expire, and when it was uploaded, and it is password protected. So when we click on download, it is going to ask for the password which we have created at the time of upload. So we'll type the password and click download, and our file will be downloaded. You can go to the download folder and check your file. So I'll just close this. Okay, and our third website is file.pizza. Yes, you have heard it right. It is file.pizza. So this website works on a peer-to-peer system. You just need to click on select a file and simply select the file you want to share. This time I'll just share a video and a link will be generated, and you will have two links generated here. One would be a long link, one would be the short link. So you can click on a long link and just highlight it and copy it, and we'll open up a different browser on my computer itself and we'll paste the link, and you will see your file will be ready to download. So I will close this, and now we will go to our next website, that is justbeamit.com. So the interface would be very simple. You can simply drag and drop your file or files to transfer anywhere on the page, or you can simply click on that parachute and select the file you want to share. So I'll just select a file, and our file has been uploaded. Now you can click on create link, and a link will be generated at the top. You just simply copy the link and share it with your friend. You can also have the option for QR, and here you will have to keep one thing in mind. They say please keep the browser window open throughout the entire transfer. Please note that this link is valid for a single transfer and will expire after 10 minutes. So we'll have to keep this window open, and you can share the link with your friend. So we'll just go to Edge browser and we'll paste the link there. And here we have the download link to download the file. Okay, and I'll just close it. Now we'll just move on to our last website. That would be send.vis.c and press enter. So when you go to this website, you will see this type of interface, simple private file sharing. So simply click on select files to upload and select your file, and you can select when your link expires or file expires. You can select one download, two downloads. So here you can select number of downloads. I'll select one, or there is one more option: 1 day, 1 hour, or 5 minutes, or 3 days. I'll just select 5 minutes, and you get the option for password on this website also. So if you want a password to be created for this file, you just click in the checkbox and type your password, and then click upload. And a link and a barcode will be generated. You can copy the link and simply share that link with the one you want to send this file to. So we'll just open Microsoft Edge and we'll go to that link, and it will ask you to type your password. So simply type the password and click on unlock, and there will be a download button to download your file. So I'll just close this, and that's it in this video. That's all I wanted to show you. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.